Hey traders, this is Richard at altFINS. In this trading video I will review TONcoin, T-O-N, which is a native cryptocurrency for Telegram. And it's had quite a bit of an excellent run in the last just a couple of months. Really, it's up fourfold from about $2 to $7 or $8. But maybe is still just the beginning. So let's take a look. First of all, what I did, I looked at which assets are still in a strong uptrend across short, medium, and long-term horizon, which is really easy to find on our platform. If you go under the preset filters, strategy blocks, and strong uptrend is one of the preset filters. Then you can check which ones they are. Binance Coin actually surprisingly is on that list. TONcoin, Near Protocol, and Render Token is another one. You can check under the trend tab here. As you can see, they're all in a strong uptrend across short, medium, and long-term basis. Not many coins that satisfy this criteria anymore. But so I saw TONcoin on the list. It's actually one of the assets that we actually have a technical analysis done on as well. You can find it under technical analysis section here, but you can also find it here in the screener. And what we highlight in the technical analysis is that, you know, we were very bullish when the asset pulled back to this support zone of $4.75, which is when we highlighted this name in our VIP channel. That's available to all the members that have annual and lifetime or education plans. So we were very bullish when it pulled back to this level because it's a solid support level, but also it was a 50% Fibonacci retracement level. Now it's bounced back. Clearly it's up about 60% from that low, and again reaching that all-time high of $7.70. It's very close to that at this point, and just a few percentage points away, and that will be a big test. And so at this point, you know, in our trade setup, we mentioned that we're in neutral because it is approaching resistance. So at this point, we are waiting to either see the price break above that all-time high or resistance level of 770, in which case we could probably see the price continue to go higher to, as in the near term, $10 and more. Or if it does get rejected here, it would be buyers on the pullback maybe to that support zone of $5.50. It would be another good swing trade entry area. So, you know, what I will do is set an alert to say that if it breaks above 770, I want to be notified. And I'll put a note to this alert, say break out above all-time high of 770, upside potential to $10 next. Now, set alert and done. And then I will receive these alerts in my email as well as on the platform under the alert section, as well as on my mobile app. And you can do that for yourself. I also looked at the news tab here. Sometimes there's good nuggets here that you can find, and I found here an article that was published on May 12th, so that was just yesterday, in which apparently TONcoin is the largest position for a pretty well-known blockchain investment fund called Panta Capital. And in this blog, they go through the thought process or the reasons why they made this their largest investment thus far. This is a pretty large player in the space, so I'd say it's fairly smart money and worth paying attention to. And they outline really the gist of what their thought process or rationale for investment is that it's that, Telegram is one of the largest social media networks or messaging apps with, I believe, now 700 million users, and found one of the fastest growing still, in the third place compared to WhatsApp, Snapchat, and others. But it also is the only one that still has sort of the privacy feature and privacy communication channels. It's also not regulated because it's based in, or it's regulated in Dubai, so it can issue its own token and base a number of its services in the future based on their token, as well as the blockchain that they've launched, their own layer 1 blockchain. And there's a number of new applications and that are launching on top of this blockchain and leveraging the large user network that they have and growing network. So that this is going to, over time, have a positive impact on the value of the token itself. All right, so I hope this has been helpful. Keep an eye on that critical price level of $7.70. And also keep in mind that this video was for informational purposes only, not meant to be financial advice, and do your own research. Good luck trading.